Okay guys, so my next project is, my original plan was to make a steam engine car, and I have tried a few times, as you know, if you've been watching me, and I never seem to make it correctly. Anyway, so this was the idea. I'm taking this apart. I don't want this. In fact, I'm going to change everything here as well. I might use the piston and all that business, but change everything else indeed. I'm going to make a completely new. I'm not going to use these wheels. I might use the 3D wheels. Depends how it goes. Let me just see. Now, what I'm saying is that this car worked extremely well, and now I got the idea with the gear business and piston and everything else that this works on obviously air, compressed air, but now I got the idea I can actually make a steam engine car. I'll have to make gears out of PLA because that's all I've got. So guys, these are gears which I've already printed before, and I'm just going to use them. As you can see, I made one bigger, etc, etc. So I got to arrange them to do just like this engine here, and then I should be able to make a car out of it. Let's see what happens. Okay guys, so like I said, I found an aluminium here, which is really good for me because the base is there. I can just hold things down with the base. There's no problem here. So I had to change this around to this side. Piston has to be on this side, not that side. And the reason why, because I'm thinking I'm going to put the gear there with a flywheel, so that'll take care of the what you call it, the wheels itself. So this has had to be this way. Now, as you can see, this is very close here. I'm going to chop this off the camera really to make it smaller, so I have enough room for it to spin and to turn the handle. Alright, so this is really, I think this is really good. The only thing I'm not too sure about is the bearings on here, on this one here. I might leave it for now and see if I have a problem. I'll change it to put a bearing in between there to make it easier for it to spin. But if it works without it, I'm going to leave it. Okay guys, I'm home now. So yeah, I put these on here, and what I like about this particular thing is look how wide these things are. Now what I realized that it has to be kind of small between there and there, and that's what makes that wide. In the past I had so much problem trying to drill holes and make sure they don't cut each other. So this is the perfect or this is more or less perfect how it should be. This obviously I'm not going to have this here like this. I'll probably make another one because I don't want to cut this off. It's really nice, and put it there. The thing I don't like about this is you see that moves like this. Well, I'm thinking of putting a bush there. Now I could put a bearing there, but even my bearing will give me that looseness. The bush might take away, but at least it'll make it easier to spin, I think, and more straightish as it were. So if I put a little bush there between that'll be fine. I'm really pleased with this engine. It really works well. Obviously I've got to put a spring there so it holds it tight against that. And that's about it then really. So I should have drilled holes there to hold it down, because the next thing that's going to come is a plate where this will fix on like the other engine, and then the gears. So this is where the gears will be stuck under that 3D printed gear will stick onto there, and then that'll run the car as it were. Thank you for watching. This is just the first part. Hopefully the second part will work. I made this out of aluminium so that it's lightish, if you know what I mean, but it still feels a bit heavy, but I think I'll get away with it, to be honest with you. And now I understand some of the things that I've just talked about. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Thumbs up please, leave a comment and share with your social media if you can. I appreciate your help. But I want to say before I go, I really love this. It's cute. It feels like a cute little engine, you know. I really love it. But the way I think I'm going to try to get to a stage where I achieve blowing into there, and this working. At the moment it won't work with blowing into there because it's still heavy and it's still stiff. Take care guys, enough chatting. Bye.